Okay guys, we're going to talk about your name design project. So you just need a paper and a pencil, and I'm going to use crayons, but you can use colored pencils, markers, anything, and it actually will use one marker. If you don't have this type of marker, you guys can use other markers, and it doesn't have to be black, it can be whatever you want, but these are the three things in my paper that I'm going to use. So the very first step is we're going to make two wavy lines across our paper. So I'm not going to go in the middle, I'm going to go a little bit above the middle. Okay, and I'm going to make a wavy line. Do the same thing right there. So I have two wavy lines right through the middle. Then I'm going to write my name inside of the wavy lines. And when we do our name, we want the top of the letters, or the bottom of the letters and the top of the letters to touch each line. Okay, so we're going to write in all capital letters, so all big letters. So if I write my name, which is Melissa, M E L, and see how I'm touching each time? I S S A. So I touched each time. Okay, when you have it all figured out, like if you don't get it right the first time, you can erase. So like I kind of went over, I can go back, erase that, just get it to where I want it. Then I'm going to go to my marker and I'm going to trace all my lines I just did. So I'm going to do the bottom line first. Okay, then I'm going to do my letters. Okay, so now that I got it traced, I'm going to let it dry for a second. If you can see that I didn't quite get on top of my lines, and if we go to color, you're still going to see your pencil marks. So I'm going to take an eraser. It doesn't have to be a big eraser. If all you have is a little eraser, that's fine. I'm going to take my eraser, I'm going to go in, and I'm going to erase all the lines that I didn't go over with marker, so that way they don't know that we used pencil first. Okay, then I get to use all my fun crayons, okay, and I'm going to pick one color to go in each spot, so each spot is going to get a different color. So if I want to start right here in the middle, remember, we're going to all try to color in the same direction. So since I started this way, we're going to try to stay this way. And if you need to go this way a little bit to get really close to your lines, that's okay. But for the big part in the middle, we're going to try to stay all the same direction. We're going to cover all of the white spaces. So if you need to go this way along the line, so that way you don't go outside the lines, that's fine. And you can even go back over it to make it darker. Okay, so now I'm going to choose a different color for this little part down here, and maybe even this part up here. Then I'm going to pick a different color. We're going to color this side. And I'm going to go all in one direction. And if you don't color as fast as I do, that is perfectly fine. You do not need to color as fast as I do. But we're gonna fill all of that side. And if you keep going and make it darker, the darker it is, the more it's gonna pop, the better it's gonna look. So when you get all done, it's gonna look something like this. So what I did is I went ahead and finished all of my colors. Okay, I made my outline a little darker. You don't have to do that unless you want to. And then I went and added polka dots in the background. You can add stars, you can add lines, whatever pattern you want to put in the background, that is totally up to you. You go ahead and have fun with it. When you're done, take a picture of it and share it with me and your teacher, and we would love to see it. Thanks.